Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys about how I passed my final year MBBS exam without buying a single book and how you can do the same. So yeah, let's dive right into it. Okay, so first of all, I would be lying if I said that I did not buy a single book for my final year because I did buy one book, but it was towards the end of the year, like 3 to 4 months before my exams, and it was not a must have book. So I will tell you later which book I bought, but apart from that, I did not buy a single book. So where do you think I started from? Ta-da! From my iPad. So I think a lot of medical students have an iPad. They mostly use it for making their notes. Even I bought my iPad in my first year of medical school, and ever since then I've been using it for making my notes. But in my first and second year, I did buy textbooks. Like I had all the textbooks. But towards the end of second year, I sort of got used to reading stuff on my iPad. And another important reason why I slowly switched to using my iPad more than my textbooks because the textbooks were very heavy. So like I have back issues, and I really hated carrying around these heavy books everywhere. So iPad was more convenient for me. Wherever I used to go, my iPad was with me. So whenever I was like getting bored traveling, in train or in buses, I used to just whip out my iPad and just like study on it. And honestly, in my first year, it helped me a lot because carrying a textbook is very, very like cumbersome, very hectic, and it's very, very tiring, especially like when they're this fat. So that's the main reason why I think I switched to iPad eventually. Even in third year, I did not buy all the books. I think I bought only like 2 or 3 books, I think, altogether. But in my final year, I switched to my iPad completely because our one volume of medicine is this fat. So there's no way that I'm adding like 2 books every day. Even carrying them from my hostel to my library was a huge task for me. So that's the reason why I eventually switched to iPad completely. I think it completely depends upon you personally. Like if you're somebody who loves the touch of physical books, which even I do completely. And if you're more comfortable, if you like you're the sort of person who's retaining more information while you're reading, physically, I think you should really stick to your books. But if you're somebody like me who's okay with reading from an iPad, I think you should really stick to it because there are a lot of pros of it. First is that you have everything in one place. Second is that your back won't be tired. Third is you'll save a lot of money. So in my final year, like if you go to buy books, you will not spend less than 20,000. If you were to buy original books, even more than that, I'm just saying like minimum 20,000 for an average medical student to buy final year books. So I honestly saved a lot of money, and I had every book, like each and every book on my iPad. Like whatever book you name it, you will have it on my iPad. So, all in all, if you have an expensive iPad at your disposal, I think you should make the most out of it. But of course, only if you're somebody like me who's okay with studying with an iPad. Otherwise, physical textbooks are the best. So, coming back to my, one textbook that I bought in my final year, which is Kundu. So, Kundu's Bedsides Clinical Medicine. That too only one volume. It has 2 volumes, but I bought only one volume. Or I got two, I don't remember. Whatever. So I got only these 2 books. That too because a very good doctor in my hospital, a couple of good doctors in my hospital recommended it specifically for exams. And honestly, I bought it because I was honestly tired of studying from the iPad because of all the screen time that I was having, and I used to look around all my batchmates used to study from books, from textbooks, and I was the only one who was using my iPad like solely for everything. So yeah, no particular reason as such to buy that book. I just thought that I would, keep going back to that book again and again. So I would rather have it in my hand. Plus, I was feeling a little FOMO because all of my batchmates were using textbooks and I was not. Anyway, FOMO se yaad aaya. There's this one incident which I think is funny and I would like to share with you guys. So basically, after my final year exams, as soon as I passed, these juniors, they reach out to seniors and they ask for their books, which they like to borrow for a year and then they give them back. So a lot of juniors were texting me, like, ma'am, can we borrow your books? And I was so embarrassed to tell them that I did not have a single book with me. So I used to just tell them, ki, I'm so sorry, I've given to somebody else. And I was so tired of lying, honestly, until recently when I realized that it's actually, a cool thing to pass without buying a single book and studying only from your iPad. So I thought I would make this video so that whoever is somebody like me who likes to study from an iPad, I want to say them that it's possible and you can pass without buying a single book. But you have to be dedicated, and you have to be organized, and you have to love reading from an iPad. And reading from physical books is not like compulsory for you to pass. There's nothing like that. Do whatever you feel comfortable doing. You do you. If you're somebody who likes reading from a book, read from a book. If you're somebody who likes reading from an iPad, read from an iPad. Save that money, invest it in stock market. That's what I did, and it's still there, by the way. So yeah, I think that's all that I have for this video today. If you want to know how I use my iPad to keep my books, to make notes and everything, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make a video about it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much if you're here till the end. I hope to see you guys again. Bye bye.